Hello, hello. I'm just waiting to see if the live is starting. Hello, everybody. Happy Freedom Friday, and welcome everyone joining me live this afternoon. And a very welcome to those watching for the first time and watching the replay as well. If you are watching the replay, just drop a replay in the comments so that I know you are here, and then tell me where you are from. I love to see where are people watching from. But thanks to my regulars who are supporting me, I really do appreciate it. Belinda, Cheryl, Bella, Peter, and all those people. I'm really glad you made time to be here, because Freedom Friday is not about hype, pressure, or selling. It's about opening conversations, shifting thinking, and giving people options they may not even know that exists yet. Now, before we get into today's topic, I want to let you know up front, because transparency matters to me. I have a free resource available for you called Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. You can get it on https://go.lynettebarnors.com/blueprint. Or comment freedom and I will send it to you. Now I spell my name. My name is different. Go.Lynette, LINNETTEBADENHORST.com/blueprint. This is not a product. It's a free guide created to help people to understand why the traditional income model is failing so many people, what alternatives actually exist, and how ordinary people are creating leverage online. If at any point during the session something resonates with you, I'll show you how to get access to that free blueprint at the end of the session again. No pressure, no obligation, just value. All right, let's get into today's conversation. Today I want to talk about something that almost everyone feels, but very few people say out loud. The pressure to earn more without having more time. Most people I speak to are not lazy. They are tired. They are stretched. They are doing their best. Parents, professionals, pensioners, entrepreneurs, people working full-time, part-time, or even 2 jobs. And yet, despite working harder, longer, and sacrificing more, the money just doesn't seem to stretch the way it used to. So today's topic is the shift that helped me earn more without working more. Not a secret trick, not a get-rich-quick idea, a shift. And I want you to listen with an open mind, not to agree or disagree, but simply to ask yourself, what if there is another way? Now, before I go any further, let me properly introduce myself, especially for those who don't know me yet. My name is Lynette Barnors. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. And I'm helping entrepreneurs, business owners, professionals, and anyone who wants to make a recurring income to do that, just that, so that they can live life on their own terms. I'm not here as a guru. I'm not here as someone who has never struggled. I'm here as someone who has spent over 10 years in an online business and leveraged income space. I've seen what works, and I've seen what doesn't. And I've seen how easily people can be misled, which is why I do things differently. I didn't start because I wanted luxury. I started because I wanted security, choice, and time freedom. And most importantly, I wanted something sustainable, ethical, and duplicatable. So everything I share today comes from experience, not theory. Now let's look at the core problem, and that is trading time for money. But let's talk about the real issue. Most people are trapped in one income model, time for money. You show up, you work the hours, you get paid if you are lucky, and if you stop working, the income stops. Even professionals and business owners are often trapped. More clients equals more hours. More growth equals more stress. More responsibility equals less freedom. The system teaches us, if you want more, work harder. But what if the problem is not the effort? What if the problem is the model? This is where the shift begins. Let's slow down this for a moment, because this is where most people finally realize why they feel stuck, even when they are doing everything right. From the time we are young, we are taught one main rule: go to school, get educated, get a job, work hard, and one day you will be secure. But nobody explains the fine print. The fine print says your income is capped by your hours. Your energy determines your earnings. Your health, age, and availability controls your future. Think about this honestly. If you are paid per hour, per shift, per client, or per task, what happens when you get sick? You need time off. Your industry changes, which happens very often. We are living in a technology-driven society, and things that used to be like this is not that anymore. Your company downsizes, or you reach retirement age. For many, the answer is fear. Not because they are irresponsible, but because the system itself is fragile. And here's the part that really hurts. Most people don't need more motivation. They need a better income structure. Working harder used to work. Today, it often leads to burnout, stress, less family time, and more pressure. And still, not enough money. So if this is resonating with you, I want you to know something important. You are not broken. The model is outdated. The realization alone is freeing. Now let's talk about the shift, because this is where hope comes back into the room. The moment everything changed for me was when I understood this simple difference. Labor income says I get paid once for what I do. Leveraged income says I get paid multiple times for one effort. I like that one. Let me give you a real-life example. Every month, millions of people pay debit orders on insurance, healthcare, subscriptions, warranties, legal cover, membership. Those systems work whether or not the company owner wakes up motivated that day or not. But here's the key question. Who benefits from those systems? Usually not the customer. Leverage is not about creating something new. It's about positioning yourself inside systems that already exist and allowing them to work with you instead of against you. This doesn't mean posting all day, chasing people, being pushy, becoming salesy. It means systems doing the heavy lifting, duplication instead of exhaustion, stability instead of hustle. And here's something most people don't realize. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to quit your job. You just need a model that includes leverage. That's the shift. Now, let's look at leverage over labor. The biggest chance for me was understanding, or biggest change for me was understanding leverage. Leverage means one effort paid multiple times. Systems instead of constant selling. Products and services that already exist. Income not 100% depend on your presence. Most people already use leverage. They don't benefit from it. Think about this. You already have debit orders. You already buy services. You already pay for protection, healthcare, subscriptions, warranties. But someone else earns from those systems. The shift is not, how do I work more? The shift is, how do I position myself differently inside systems that already exist? That's when income stops being exhausting and start being strategic. Now let's go a level deeper here, because this is where most people have an aha moment. When I first heard the word leverage, I thought it meant something complicated, technical, or only for wealthy people. But leverage is actually very simple. Leverage means one effort multiplied. Labor means one effort, one result. Let me explain it in everyday terms. If you are paid for hours worked, shifts completed, clients served, tasks done, then your income has a ceiling. Doesn't matter how much you're getting paid. There are only so many hours in a day, only so much energy in your body, only so many years before your age, health, or burnt out catches up. That's labor-based income. And there is nothing wrong with labor. The problem is when labor is your only option. That is the problem, when labor is your only option. But let's look at why labor alone keeps people stuck. Here's something people rarely say out loud. Even if you are excellent at what you do, even if you work hard, even if you are loyal, you are still replaceable in the labor system. If you don't show up, the system don't pay you. That's why so many people feel anxious about losing their job, about retirement, about getting sick, about taking time off. Because deep down, they know, if I stop, everything stops. That awareness creates stress, even when things are going well. Now let's look at what leverage really looks like. Leverage is not working less, it's about working differently. Leverage says, how can one action continue to produce results over time? I repeat it, how can one action continue to produce results over time? Let me give you examples you already understand. A book earns long after it's written. A song earns long after it's recorded. A franchise earns through systems, not owners' hours. A subscription business earns monthly without reselling every time. In all these cases, the work is done once and the results repeat. That's leverage. And here's the important part. You do not need to create the product. You do not need to own the company. You do not need to invent anything new. You simply need to be positioned correctly. But let's look at the debit order realization. Yes, the debit order realization. Let's bring this close to home. Every single month, people pay debit orders for healthcare, funeral cover, insurance, legal protection, warranty, subscriptions. These debit orders go off whether the people think about them or not. Now pause and ask this question slowly. Who benefits from that monthly cash flow? The company, the system, the shareholders, the people positioned upstream. The customers pay, someone else earns. Leverage is about moving upstream, not exploiting people, not tricking people, but being part of the value chain instead of only the consumer end. But let's look at why this is not selling. This is important because this is where resistance often shows up. Leverage does not mean convincing people, pushing products, chasing friends, becoming someone you're not. True leverage means systems that already work, products people already use, ethical services people already need, support and duplication built in. You are not forcing demand. You are aligning with the existing demand. And that's the huge difference. But why can ordinary people do this? Why can ordinary people build a Dew Point business? Because it's designed like that. Their goal is for average South Africans to create an unlimited income using a product. For me, that's one of the most brilliant innovations of the century. But one of the biggest lies people believe is this only works for confident people, salespeople, or tech experts. That's simply not true. Leverage works best for busy parents, professionals, pensioners, quiet people, consistent people. Why? Because leveraged systems reward consistency over intensity, duplication over hustle, process over personality. You don't need to be loud, you need to be positioned. Now the real shift is not, how do I make more money? The real shift is, how do I stop starting from zero every month? Because if you are working, you are starting from zero every month. You work, you get your pay, and then you start from zero. It's always up and down. When your income is no longer 100% tied to your effort or your presence, when systems keep working, even if you rest, when growth doesn't require burnout, that's when freedom starts to feel possible. Not overnight, not magically, but sustainably. That is leverage. And once you truly understand this difference between labor and leverage, you can never look at work, money, or opportunity the same way again. But next, let us address skepticism, because there's lots of that. Now, if we pause here, because I know what some of you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. I've tried things before, and it didn't work. I've done time. I'm not technical. I don't want to sell. I'm scared of being judged. They are all valid, all normal. That's exactly why I created my free blueprint. Not to convince you, but to educate you. Not decisions tonight, no pressures. Just understanding. Because clarity alone can change everything. I believe that people do not see the value that they've got in Dew Point because they don't understand it. Once you understand this brilliant system, you will fully agree with me. I have no doubt about that. Now I want to pause here, because if you like most intelligent people, a little voice is in your head that might be saying, this sounds nice, but I've heard this before. I don't want to be scammed. I don't want to embarrass myself. I don't have time for another thing. And I want to say clearly, very clearly to you, skepticism is healthy. It means you are thinking. It would actually be worried for me if you weren't skeptical. We need to get the facts. Most people don't fail because they don't try. They fail because they were not educated properly, because they jumped into hype. They followed people instead of understanding the system. That's why I always say, don't believe people, don't believe me. Go and check it out for yourself. Understand the model. Ask better questions. Is there a real product or service? For if there is not, you don't touch it. Is the income system ethical and transparent? I cannot be part of something that's not ethical or transparent. Can ordinary people duplicate this? I believe ordinary people can. Is there support and training? Yes, there are absolutely amazing support and training, and it's free. Does this still work in today's economy? Yes, for sure, even more than ever before, because our economy is dying. People don't have jobs. They can't find jobs. DuPont is offering South Africans the best and most powerful way to create an unlimited income if they're willing to work. But that is your choice. You cannot, it cannot happen by its own. You need to do the work. You don't need blind faith. You need clarity. Go and check it out. And that's exactly why I created my free guide. Not to convince you, but to empower you with the information. Because once you understand the difference between labor and leverage, you can never unsee it. If what I'm sharing is resonating with you, I want to invite you to grab my free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. It's on my https://go.lynettebartels.com/blueprint. Inside it, I break down how leveraged online income actually works, what to look for and what to avoid, how to start without overwhelm, and why this model works for ordinary people. You can comment freedom or send me a message. And I will gladly answer all your questions. Let me see, I've got my friends here, Belinda and Cheryl and Henry. Welcome on board. I'm truly happy to see you here. Welcome again. But how can an action continue to give results over time? That is what we are doing. We are doing the work once and get paid over and over again for a once-off effort. For me, that is absolutely amazing. And I think every South African should look at this very, very seriously. Now, to close off is that I'm sharing this with you because I believe we can change your life. You just need to contact me and get the information. As we wrap up, I want to say this. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to make a decision tonight. You just need to stay open to the idea that your current situation doesn't have to be permanent. To everyone who joined live, thank you for your time. For those watching the replay, I see you and I'm glad you're here. If you like the free Escape the 9 to 5 Trap, my online business blueprint, just comment freedom or message me and I'll gladly share it with you. Until next Freedom Friday, stay curious, stay open, and never stop believing that there is another way. Bye for now.